So one of the many reasons why I love Friday the 13th Part 3 is because of the sounds. The sounds in this movie are hilarious. So the music right here is really extra right here. It almost sounds like the brass team is like a full-blown mariachi band. Since Jason is not a zombie yet, he can still feel pain. Little Chris Higgins thinks she's about to stab a member of the Addams family. And here comes Kristen giving Jason the old sign of the cross blessing. Jason takes a knee and you can hear that. But this sound effect here is one of my favorites. It's like a thump. Totally sounds like Jason sending a cash deposit in one of those tubes at Costco. And here it is again.